Another beautiful day, and welcome to my kitchen. This is Lena. We share easy recipes here, and trust me, you will fall in love with them. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Today we are going to grill or smoke tuna and then mackerel. Okay, so I believe you will love them. Thank you so much. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my mackerel, tuna, and then I have some 2 round catfish as well there. So we are going to clean it very well before we proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Yes, so we have some tuna that has scales, okay, and fins. There are some others they don't have. So with this, it has scales and then fins. This tuna swallowed a lot of sardines. It's funny, and that day I was looking for sardines to buy, and they told me they were out of season. So in this case, okay, you can just allow it to be in there. When you finish grilling it or when it is well cooked, you just remove it and throw it away, okay, or you just discard it. I wanted to put it back there and then grill the fish so that when it is ready I will just remove it and throw away, just because that end is not that strong. Yes, that is why I wanted to keep it there. So with the intestine I did not remove it, but with the sardine I removed it. The other one I did not remove it, okay. Yes, that is a lot of them. Yeah, a lot of them, not eggs. Now we will go ahead and then wash everything. When we are done, we will proceed. As for tuna, they have a lot of what you are seeing on the screen. I just don't want to say it with my mouth because of YouTube policy, okay. They have a lot of that, so when you are dealing with it, you will see a lot of that. I'm so sorry if you are not used to that. Now this is the mackerel. I'll remove all the intestine by just making sure that I open the head and then just bring it out, okay, like how you are seeing on the screen. You can just fold it like this and then you are good to go, but we are not going to do that today. I will continue till I'm done. If you want short videos, I mean videos that are 1 minute or less than a minute duration, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. They are very, very detailed recipes, okay. You will love them. Those are also some of the intestine and then the sardines. I'm not going to remove it. When it is ready, I'll remove and then wash again. I just want them to be very strong. After washing it several times, I decided to wash it again. In fact, I have washed it about 5-6 times, but still it's as if I've not washed them. But that is okay. Okay, we will continue with it. I have a lot of recipes which you will love them. Please kindly check them out, and some of the recipes I use this fish for, you will love them. So please check them on the channel or on the page, and trust me, you will love them. So after washing it very well with the lemon juice, this is how it looks. It's as if you've not washed them. I'll just go ahead and then add my salt and then allow it to be in the salt for some time, okay, for 30 minutes, and you are good to go, depending on the quantity of salt you added to it. Now I am just going to wait for a while and then we proceed. If you've watched till this point, it means you like what you are seeing. Please, if you've not liked the video, can you do so for me? Share the video for me and I will be very grateful. After some time, I strain the water from it. Now they are on the rack, and this is how they look, okay. I have another set that are also on another rack, which I will be showing them to you. It's I actually grilled a lot of them. Okay, yeah, so this is another set. I have another set again. Yeah, we are just going to put this in the oven, so we are good to go. Grill it and get it according to how you want it. If you want it to be soft, it depends on you. If you want it to be very dry, it depends on you. I actually grill my fish or smoke my fish according to, or maybe let me say, depending what I am going to use the fish for. Okay, so sometimes I want it very dry, sometimes too I want it soft, but today it's not dry and it is not soft as well. But with the mackerel, it is very soft. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and you can't afford to miss it.